Good morning, traders. It's Merritt with Apteros Trading. Looking at the S&P futures, we'll begin by recapping yesterday, what we said and what happened relative to it, and then we'll talk about what we think about today at the hard right edge. All right, yesterday, a couple bull zones below. The most likely scenario we thought was for a pullback to one of these, somewhere in here, to find buyers and take us to new highs. Well, we just went to new highs off the open, but that was also a what-if scenario. I think one of the last ones there that we laid out for you before we signed off, which was, what if we just go on the open? Well, we'll look for a retest here. Okay, now, I think 44.30 was a fantastic target. We didn't get there, but can you really complain if you're in from 4,400 and you've got favorable excursion of 20 points on the session and plenty of time to take some partial profits along the way and even get out once the trend can't hold? A good session by any means. So anyways, from there, it's like, wow, we're revisiting this thing. Wow, we're trying to get under it. And that leads us to the overnight session. Mostly sideways, not a lot going on there compared to a lot of overnight sessions that we've had as of late. Pretty much wait and see for non-farm payrolls, which just came out a bit ago, about half an hour ago. And so let me pause the video and adjust, and we'll talk. Okay, I do have to cut this short, but similar to yesterday, we have these pretty much the same neutral levels as yesterday. Look out for this, 43.98 level. Bull zone here. Bull zone's coming up anywhere here from, call it 77 to 67. That's a great risk reward long spot that we'll definitely keep in mind. Now, non-farm payroll sellers came in, couldn't quite get us down there. I really thought that these lows here were vulnerable. Keep an eye on the pit session. We have a poor low from yesterday right around here. So I think that during the pit session, we could be vulnerable to a little stop run through there, which would line us up nicely with this bull zone for a long entry to fade that intraday move. Otherwise, 44.30 is the spot that I think we want to get to. And then from there, if we start to hold above that, it's 44.45, nice little 15 handle range there for that next level, and then it's really all-time highs and whatnot beyond there. So pretty nice. What if the bull zone fails? A little bit of dissonance, right? We do still have some support down here. You might could scalp something short, but then the last line in the sand there for bulls would be 43.52. Underneath that, we're able to get back to this level, able to get down to this level. So all right, good luck.